Welcome to the world of mixology. You are watching Spice Trail. Today I will show you how to make an amazing Blue Lady cocktail, and also show you the easiest way to make a beautiful garnish like a pro. I hope you will like this recipe. So let's go and jump in. Take a fresh orange and cut a peel out of it. Cut approximately a 10 cm long into 2 cm width strip out of this peel. Now give approximately 1.5 cm deep cut on the both sides of the strip, so that you can easily lock both the ends. Now carefully give 2 parallel cuts on the right side of the strip. Perfect. Now again give 2 small cuts near the middle of the strip, so that you can fix it on the glass. Lock both the ends. Awesome. I hope you are enjoying this garnish tutorial. Perfect. Now decorate it with beautiful flowers. And the amazing garnish is now ready for your cocktail. I hope now you will be able to make this beautiful garnish easily at home. So let's get into the mixology. Today we will start by rimming a glass with sugar. So take a cocktail glass, and first press it on the sponge to coat with lemon juice, and then lightly move it on the sugar to get an evenly coat on the rim. Today I am using blue colored sugar to rim my cocktail, but you can simply use castor sugar instead of colored one. The glass is now perfectly coated. So let's start the mixology. Let's take a mixing glass and start pouring all the ingredients. So pour 1.5 ounces or 45 milliliters of London dry gin. After the gin, pour 1 ounce or 30 milliliters of lime mix. Next pour the same amount of simple syrup. After the simple syrup, pour 1/4 ounce or around 7.5 milliliters of blue Curacao. And lastly add about 2 spoons of egg white. I hope you are enjoying this recipe. Now use a foam maker to generate extra froth in the cocktail. Please don't forget to subscribe for more exciting recipes and mixology tidbits. Now add 6 to 8 ice cubes, and shake vigorously. If you like this recipe, please don't forget to give a big thumbs up.
Perfect.
Now pour the cocktail straight up into the glass. Please check the description box for the detailed recipe, and if you have any queries or suggestions, please feel free to contact me. You are watching Spice Trail. Awesome. Now decorate this amazing cocktail with the beautiful garnish that we prepared earlier. I will be happy if you make this beautiful cocktail for your best friend, and share your experience with me. Cheers! Thanks for watching Spice Trail. See you soon with another exciting recipe like this. Till then, keep watching and drink responsibly.